The IG close
Yeah, I remember
friends
this video.
is not for dogs and puppies and working out in garages and memes. This is for everyone, but D-Lot specifically. The close friends on IG list is for exclusive twerk videos. It's titties or ass needs to be shown. That's what it was created for. What we're not going to do is transform this and change it to some positive, good thing. That's not what it's for. We're not doing that, okay? We're going to make close friends great again.
Yes.
All right? Make close friends great again.
Yeah,
That's what we want to do.
Yeah, no, I agree with you. It makes no sense at all.
No, you can just do that on your regular page, your regular story.
Because when you see the close friends icon, you get a little excited.
Yes. And no one disappoints me more than D-Lot. Make IG close stories great again, man.
My God.
We got quite a few laughs off of that, man.
I bet because it was all a lie. At my expense. At my expense. And if I could just save any of my followers, I've never posted puppies in my gym stuff in my close friends.
That is not true.
If I did, it was an accident because the buttons are so close and I was moving fast. But it was never like, I want my close friends to see this workout. My close friends pops when I want it to pop severely. That's every blue moon. I don't do it too much. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But do you agree with Bubba's basic premise?
There you
that
go.
the close
Good
friends
question.
is for certain types of content, not working out in the garage.
Halfway, yes, I do.
Unless perhaps you were naked.
I do feel that, close friends is like that exclusive part where you can see stuff like that. But I also feel like men or people who have that idea, who don't even post in their close friends, shouldn't be given that much invite. Because I've never seen a green bubble pop on you. I've never seen a green bubble pop on you.
I never.
And so I'm like,
I don't even know how to do
y'all are just weird. I feel like the rules should be made by close friends participants. So you guys are like, not even the villagers. You guys are like, you guys are like, I don't know. You're somewhere in the village, but you're not even like the people of the village. So I feel like I should have been checked by somebody who does green circles, and I'd be watching them like with their chick. Like I'm like, okay. It's like give and take. Y'all are takers. Y'all are the close friend takers.
That's right.
Just sucking up content.
It's not a lot. Like it's not a lot a man could.
Yes,
I don't
is.
follow men who do IG close stories.
No, why not?
So I don't. Well, actually, I do. Jason, he posts his IG close stories, and he does his more so for family and stuff.
No, I know a few people, and usually it's the guys that do the close friends. It's literally watching them smoke weed.
Yeah,
Those are so boring.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
Why don't you call them out? Because that's definitely trash.
All right, gentlemen, we don't need close friends for you to smoke weed.
We don't.
man.
Need
Yeah.
it.
We know you're smoking weed. It's not particularly entertaining.
It's not, and not just IG close stories. That's any.
we truly don't care. We've been rolling
we
with that
don't.
same size blunt. since we
We'll
were in
pass
ninth
420. We'll pass, and it's okay to post it. 420, and it's somewhat interesting to see how much you can go through. But outside of that, I mean, it's really not.
grade. We don't care.
We'll
We
Yeah,
saw
we
that
really
already.
don't.
I'd be like clever, like show the amount or something like that.
Yeah,
Not
you know what I'm
just
saying.
a
That's what I'm saying.
generic-
Yeah. See how much you can go through. That's impressive.
Right.
Smoke a whole bag or something.
Yeah.
But yeah, but guys, what can I mean? I don't want to ask that question because I don't really want to hear the answer. But it's like I don't know what can we.
Well, have you? I mean, I'll ask the question. Like, have you? Like, are there guys that you follow that do post in close friends, and what's that content?
Yeah.
Besides smoking weed.
So I won't say their names because I feel like close friends is like a, it's
Yeah,
like
we're-
a-
yeah,
it's
yeah,
like
yeah,
a-
it's a
it's
close
like a
friends.
club,
It's a-
know.
it's a club.
I
Yeah,
have guys in
exclusive
there who
club.
have good content with their ladies or their lady friends, and you
Okay.
get to see a lot of
With the
stuff. You get to
ladies.
see, intimate stuff, maybe some fellatio stuff.
So it's like it's
but they'll
low-key,
blur it out or have something covering her face.
low-key porn.
No, that's Snapchat.
Actually, somebody told me Snapchat pop like that, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Now Snapchat close stories that's a whole
nother
thing.
category.
Yeah.
Why not just go Pornhub? Show it to the world.
And make
free?
some money.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, you make
well,
money.
OnlyFans.
No,
and-
OnlyFans is fucking ridiculous.
They
Why?
they
You
changed
feel that
they
way?
they changed some policies on
Because
that.
I don't pay any money for Pornhub. $0 spent.
There you go. That's a good.
Do you
that's a
think
good
that
point.
you wouldn't
A
pay if it was
decade.
somebody like you knew?
No.
You don't have like that. See,
No.
to me, sometimes like you seeing strangers versus somebody else you like know of. Someone's like,
But it's super weird to like pay somebody you know to watch them have sex. Like I'd rather just pay them to have sex with me.
That's another great
Damn.
point. He's full of
Damn.
great points tonight.
Okay, so what if it wasn't sex? If it was just like visuals.
Logic always wins.
Visuals? Is that the same thing? Like
What do you
visuals?
mean?
Like
What's a visual in your mind?
You saying you just
like pictures?
literally
Yeah,
visualizing somebody else?
yeah, or like.
But
pictures of
I
them,
don't really want like to pay for that. Is just not appealing at all.
Okay.
Like it's just
Well,
like,
somebody's doing it because these hoes is making money.
I know.
Oh my god.
Guys, yeah, but you have some guys. who
We're the
are-
feet guys.
Yeah, there you go. Some guys pay for those feet pictures and videos, and I know a couple. And, yeah.
Do you care to share their names?
And I'm a feet person. I'm a feet guy myself, but
Right.
I'm not going as far as paying for it. That's
But see, ladies,
That's
don't
the
give up
industry.
because men are doing it. Okay.
yeah. Keep doing your thing.
We're the belly button wars that like see chubby bellies. Those two, like there's a whole lot.
What other categories are there?
Oh, there's a shitload of them.
A whole listen.
I told a girl today, like, there should be no such thing as a broke woman. It's just a species with a coochie, titties and booty. They should just not be broke.
But some women, I mean, yeah, okay. I feel like there's always avenues, but some women don't want to rely on that. They want to use their brain.
They can. That's what I'm saying. They have
You're
all,
using
you
your-
have that, and you have brains, you have ass, you have titties,
Yeah, you can always use that to
ambition,
your
you have
advantage.
goals, you have coochie, you just have a lot of things in your tool bag that you can take out when you need it. That's why you see more homeless guys than
It's
homeless
mainly
women.
titties, ass, and coochie, though, for real. I mean, the rest of this stuff is who cares? Like, I mean, come on.
But tell the truth, you see more homeless men than women, don't you?
Yeah.
That's true. That's true.
Come on, man. Use your head.
That's true.
By giving head.
That's not the only
That's
way.
another great point. I mean, this
How
guy
else
is
you-
on
how else
fire
you gonna-
tonight.
How else are you gonna stay somewhere for free?
Listen. I hope I
Nobody's
never
letting
I
you
hope I
just
never have to
stay.
figure it out.
No, nobody's gonna let you stay if you're not providing services.
I really thought about housing this girl and her 2 kids because it was just that great.
I'm glad you didn't do it.
I was
wow,
like, shit. Like, I was this close, man.
Really? They were homeless?
No.
Bubba's saving hose.
Why was that funny? Oh my god.
Bubba's saving hose one at a
Oh my
time.
gosh, I did not want to laugh at that.
Yes, you did.
No,
Yes, you
man.
did.
That was hilarious.
Ugh.
Let's take a quick break in here, man.
Okay.
Let's take a quick
We
break.
might need one.